A Day at the Park. Once upon a time, there was a little boy named Alex. He loved going to the park with his family. One sunny Saturday morning, Alex woke up excited because he knew it was going to be a fun day at the park. After having breakfast with his parents, Alex quickly got dressed in his favorite blue t-shirt and jeans. He put on his sneakers and grabbed his red ball, eager to play. His parents packed a picnic basket with sandwiches, fruits, and juice for their day out. When they arrived at the park, Alex's eyes lit up with joy. There were children playing on the swings, families having picnics, and dogs chasing frisbees. Alex ran towards the playground, ready to have some fun. He climbed up the ladder and slid down the slide, laughing all the way. Then he swung on the swings, feeling like he could touch the sky with his toes. Alex's parents watched him play, smiling at his happiness. After playing for a while, Alex's tummy started rumbling. It was time for lunch. They found a cozy spot under a big tree and spread out their picnic blanket. Alex's mom unpacked the delicious sandwiches, and they all sat down to eat. As they enjoyed their meal, they watched birds flying overhead and squirrels chasing each other around the trees. Alex felt so content surrounded by nature and his loving family. After lunch, Alex wanted to explore more of the park. He and his parents went for a walk along the winding paths, admiring colorful flowers and tall trees. They even saw a family of ducks swimming in the pond. As the afternoon sun began to set, Alex knew it was time to head home. He said goodbye to the park, promising to come back soon. In the car, he couldn't stop talking about all the fun things he did that day. Back home, Alex felt tired but happy. He thanked his parents for the wonderful day at the park. Snuggled in his bed, Alex drifted off to sleep, dreaming of his next adventure in the great outdoors. The end.